It's about setting goals. Goals are dreams with deadlines. You're going to have a bit of material later on about goals. You know, I find it interesting that many students that I talk to say that goals are only for nerds or geeks or eggheads. But I can tell you now that 70% of you have a goal. And it may not be necessarily about your academics, it could be about something to do with the sports field, or it could be something to do with other things in life. But 70% of you make goals, some sort of goal. As someone once said, people with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Just turn to your neighbour and tell your neighbour what having a goal might do for you. 60 seconds. Who do you think this is? The person writes, I always had the ultimate goal of being the best, but I approached everything step by step. That's why I wasn't afraid to go to the University of North Carolina after high school. Everyone told me I shouldn't go because I wouldn't be able to play at that level. They said I should go to the Air Force Academy because then I would have a job when I finished college. Everyone had a different agenda for me, but I had my own. I'd always set short-term goals, but as I look back, each one of those steps or successes led me to the next one. When I got cut from the varsity team as a sophomore in high school, I learned something. I knew I never wanted to feel that bad again. Well done. Give him a hand. He said, I never wanted to feel that bad again. I never wanted to have that taste in my mouth, that hole in my stomach. So I set a goal of becoming a starter on the varsity. That's what I focused on all summer. When I worked on my game, that's what I thought about. When it happened, I set another goal, a reasonable, manageable goal, and that I could realistically achieve if I worked hard enough. Each time I visualised where I wanted to be, what kind of player I wanted to become. I guess I approached it with the end in mind. So you need to set the goal, as people like Michael Jordan will attest, but then you've got to work out how you're actually going to get there.